Hey guys, welcome to another YouTube video. Today I'm at someone's house. Okay. Let's go. We're going to the backyard. Now we don't want to. Okay. Where is a good place to be? Hey, they have fish. Okay, whatever. Let's go upstairs. Okay, I'll watch YouTube. I subscribe to a lot of channels. Evan to Brian, Evan to Gaming, Evan to HD, B-Boy T-Stun, and more. Go watch my channel. Post this video on my channel. Go watch which one? No. Minecraft. Okay. The hacker. Also subscribe to this one.
And stomachs are growling. Or is that just me? It's Lobster Fest. Red lobster.
I hate lobsters.
Lobster dishes all year.
Hello everybody, it's Adam and Griffin. Welcome back to our cooking show. Today we are going to be making fajitas. Let's go over the ingredients real quick again, just in case you missed the beginning of our show. This is an egg. This is very important in making a bagel. Exactly. You're also going to need bananas. Now, it's nice. The best is the nice black bananas. Those are going to have the best consistency. They're very much gives it a very good taste. Of course. You also do need your muffins. Very muffins. And then, of course, you're going to need. Excuse me, sorry. It's so embarrassing. Hello? This is you. Hi. Why are you calling?
We're calling to inform you that your channel has been hacked.
Wait. Is this the time?
No.
Okay, we'll stop watching this.
What? Who did it?
We are.
Ow. Yeah. This is gonna be my house. No, it won't. Boy Productions.
Hey everybody, it's Nerf Boy Productions here, and today I want to show you guys my ultimate Nerf and Strike Elite glow. So if you guys saw my video that I did 1 or 2 years ago, anyways, it's really cool. I used the Death Shot in that video, so it's pretty outdated, and that's end strike stuff. And I figured it's time to update that because it's not exactly what I rolled with before. So let's change it up and show you what I use now. So this isn't exactly 100% what I use every single time. It changes up. But on a general average basis, this is something that works really well for me, and yeah.
Okay, see you in the next episode. Bye.